Okay, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Prince, and today I'm going to show you how to install DSTV on top of an already fixed multi-TV dish. So if you have a multi-TV dish and you are planning of installing or buying a new DSTV decoder to add to your multi-TV channels, you don't need to fix or install another dish plus the multi-TV dish. All you need to do is to get an additional LMB. If I talk of LMB, this is an LMB. They used to call it touch, but it's not touch, it's LMB. So you get additional LMB, and then you fix this additional LMB on top of your already fixed multi-TV to get your DSTV signal. And in case maybe you have a DSTV but you want free-to-air channels to watch plus your DSTV channels, in case you are unable to pay the subscription too early, you can also add the multi-TV to your DSTV dish for you to get access to watch. And all you need to do is to get the LMB. You buy this LMB, or you can get the LMB from setup DSTV setup box. You pick the LMB from it. You get a metal plate, a governor's one, and then you get a metal clip. If you can't get a metal clip, you can use any black tape. You can use any black tape to tape it up. So keep watching. So you need to measure 2 inches by ½ inch. So you get your tape. Get your tape measure. Then you measure your plate 2 inches by ½ inch. So I'm going to measure the ½ inch here. And then you measure the 2 inches. Exactly here. Okay. You mark it. Okay. So after marking, you need to cut it. If you don't have any angle grinder or any cutting machine to cut it, you can use a hammer and a chisel. So you need to cut it. Okay, so after cutting it 2 inches by ½ inch, cut it 2 inches by ½ inch, then you need to mark again each side ½ inch. That's where you are going to bend, so you need to mark each side ½ inch. So we mark each side ½ inch. Okay, so after marking your half inch each side, the middle needs to be 1 inch. That's why we measured 2 inches. So you bend this side like this, then it's like this, and you bend the other side as well. Okay, so after bending, this is how it have to look like. Okay, like you. Okay, so after bending, you need to fix your LMB on it. So you get your LMB and your metal clip. You get your LMB and your metal clip. If in your area you cannot get this metal clip, you can use a solid tape, any black tape, to tape it. Okay, so use your metal clip, and here is where you are going to put your metal, exactly down here in the middle of the LMB. Put it here, and then you tighten it. You have to be in the middle. So to get DSTV on top of any multi-TV dish, you just 1 inch above. So this is how we are going to do it. You tighten it so hard. Okay, so in case you don't have any metal clip, you use your tape this way. So this is how we are going to tape it. Put it on the line. You need to tape it so hard. Okay, so if you don't have a metal clip, this is how you need to do it. You need to tape it. Okay, so I'm going to track for the multi-TV, and then after that I'll put the DSTV LMB on top for me to get the DSTV signal. So I have here the multi-TV frequency. Okay, so here's the multi-TV frequency and symbol rate. Free to air channels. Okay. I have my multi-TV signal. Make sure that you have enough multi-TV signal. Let's say you get 60%. The DSTV and multi-TV is on the same lane, northeast, 26 degrees northeast. So I have here the multi-TV signal. Okay, so I'm going to put the DSTV, another LMB on top of it to get my DSTV. So you put your LMB on top, loose there, already fixed the LMB for you to be able to put there another LMB on top. Like this, and then you tight it. No need to tight it too hard because you will be adjusting it to get enough signal, enough DSTV signal. So it will be like this, and then you will connect your cable. Most of the time it will be like this, and you will get your signal straight up. You don't need to even turn it around. Connect your cable, and then you key in your DSTV frequency and signal rate 122 45 27 27 500 horizontal. Okay. Okay. So for this, okay, so I have my DSTV signal right here, as you can see. So you don't need to install another dish. If you already have a multi-TV dish, you don't need to install another dish for DSTV signal. You just have to put another LMB on top, and then you are good to go. So if you are new to my channel, do well to subscribe, and then you join the family. Alright, thanks for watching. Bless up.